Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fun cake gag. We'll explore creative ways to surprise your guests with a humorous twist on a classic dessert. Get ready to transform an ordinary cake into an extraordinary moment of laughter and delight. This guide will help you plan and execute a perfect, lighthearted prank, ensuring everyone has a good time. For a classic fake-out, start with a base of lightweight foam or sturdy cardboard cut into your desired cake shape. Cover this non-edible core with a thin layer of actual frosting, making it appear completely authentic. You can even add a few real sprinkles or decorations to heighten the deception. This creates a truly convincing, yet surprising, centerpiece. Another fantastic gag involves baking a cake with a secret compartment. After baking, carefully scoop out a small section from the center, creating a cavity. Fill this space with fun, non-edible items like colorful confetti, small toys, or even a humorous note. Then, recover the opening with a thin layer of cake and frosting, sealing your delightful secret. The key to any great gag is the presentation. Serve your prank cake with enthusiasm, encouraging the unsuspecting person to make the first cut. Be ready to capture their priceless reaction as they discover your clever trick. Remember, the goal is lighthearted fun and laughter, so ensure your surprise is harmless and well-received by all your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.